Hey everyone, Trick and L here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do the front brakes on the 2017 Ford F-150 King Ranch. Y'all follow along, ought to be good. Let's get started. What I like to do is, before I jack it up, is break these lugs loose a little bit, and that way, if you don't, whenever you jack it up, you're trying to fight it and the tire's trying to spin. So just a little trick. One thing on the newer model vehicles, they have a locking lug nut on there, and you got a special socket for it. You just insert it on there, put it in the groove, and unloosen it just like you would the rest of them. You want to repeat the process for the other side. Takes a 1/2-inch socket. As you can see, the rotor's in good shape, still real smooth. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the comparison. This is the new pad, and this is the old one. You probably can see it better if I hold it this way. See the thickness on the new one, and then how the other one's wore out. Hope you can see that. So this is a C-clamp. So what we want to do is we want to collapse that caliper. See that caliper go in? Hopefully you can see that. I'll zoom in for you. Right here, keep an eye right here. See that going in? See the before and after? This is before, this is after. See how this one sticks out? So we collapse that part of the caliper, and we got to collapse that next. The reason we do that is to make them flat to allow room for the new thickness of the pads. so you can see they're collapsed. I know a while ago you probably saw one pushing back out when I collapsed the other one, and that kind of happens. You just gotta, if you have trouble with that, you can open up the, take the lid off the reservoir up under the hood, and it kind of burp that fluid, and it'll make them collapse. But just keep putting it on one and the other, and it'll finally collapse them flat. You want to put your clips on next. Pops right in there. That's all there is to it. And you want to take your pads, slide them in there. That's it. Repeat it for the back side over here. Okay, this is what it looks like after you got both of them on there. Two brand new brake pads with the little clips, all replaceable, which comes with them. Supposedly keeps them from squeaking. All right, we want to slide this caliper on here. Right here, you have to take them and just kind of push them in where that will fit on the outside. Make sure on the bottom too. Slide it in as well. There it went. And you got your bolts. That started. Okay, we're on the home stretch. Okay, that wraps up the right front. I'm gonna repeat the process for the left front, but I'm not gonna video that and bore you guys. I'm sure I probably lost over half the viewers already. But once you do both sides, pump up the brake pedal and you're ready to go. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching. I hope this helps somebody out. Hope everybody has a great week. God bless each and everybody out there. And this is Trent Goodell saying so long, everybody, from the Peace State of Georgia.